We're down at Look Floors testing a new process in laying vinyl. We've used Ardex exclusive technology, amazing fast setting products that enables us to level and repair floors very quickly. Then we're laying vinyl and going to weld it in the same day, plus put a maintenance coat on. You can actually do it while you're doing business. Halve the area, move it, get that done, get the other side done. It's easier to clean and easier to maintain. We stock only a waterborne product from Bona Chemi. Your vinyl might be out of date. You might have some repairs in it. It might need to be very, very clean. Use Bona Resilient. Have a look at the footage coming up. We're away. We're at Look Floors, setting the new benchmark, moving the environment and economics forward in New Zealand.